Beatbox G for you. Yo guys, it's Beatbox G again, and I'm back here with a new tutorial for you. In this tutorial, I will teach you how to do the tongue bass. First, I will give you a quick demonstration like how to do the tongue bass and how to use it. And in advanced ways, you can use it like this. That's how you do it. But now the question is, how do you actually achieve this sound? You can learn this sound by just saying the R by vibrating your tongue, like this. Basically, that's just the first step. That's what you do first. What you do after, you keep your tongue on that same position and you put more pressure on your tongue by vibrating the R. So you will have this. So that's it. And don't be scared to put a lot of pressure. You can use any force that you have. You need to put all force. So when you achieve this, sound, then you can try to use it in different ways by placing it after a sound. Like. So after that you find that position of your tongue, you make sure that you put a lot of pressure on your tongue, like this. And that's the sound you need to have. So this is the sound that you actually need. And after that you can train it by place it in your beats. Like for example. So that's it. And you can even put more details on it by keeping that one precise position. Like this. But that's a lot of practice, but it's still possible. There you can do advanced stuff with it, like. Like this. So guys, this was a tutorial for the tongue bass. I hope you liked it and I hope you can do some stuff with it. So don't forget to practice this sound, it's very useful, and I hope to see you soon in a new tutorial.